Imagine this. You have $1,000 in your hands today. You could keep it in a safe place, doing nothing but holding on to it, or you could put it to work by investing it. Which choice actually moves you forward financially? Most people choose to save because it feels safe, but here's the problem. Keeping your money idle doesn't make it grow. In fact, while it feels secure, the value of that money doesn't increase, and over time, you could easily fall behind on your financial goals. Investing that same $1,000 can change your future, but it comes with challenges. The markets go up and down, and seeing your investment fluctuate can be nerve-wracking. That fear stops many people from starting. But here's the reality. Investing is how wealth grows over time. Even small amounts, when invested wisely, have the potential to become much larger through consistent growth and reinvesting returns. Let's break it down. If you keep $1,000 saved, it stays $1,000. Safe, yes, but it doesn't grow beyond that. Meanwhile, if you invest $1,000 in a diversified portfolio, even with moderate growth, it could grow to over $2,000 in 10 years. Over 20 years, it could be more than $4,500. That's the effect of long-term growth. Your money has the opportunity to multiply instead of just sitting still. The hard truth is that most people focus on the short term. They avoid investing because of fear or uncertainty, sticking with safe savings. Then they watch others grow wealth through investing, and it creates frustration or regret. Money that sits idle doesn't just fail to grow, it limits your financial opportunities and your future options. So how do you decide what's right for you? Saving makes sense for immediate needs or emergencies. If you might need the money in the next few months or years, holding on to it is practical. But if your goal is long-term financial growth, retirement, buying a home, or building real wealth, investing is the smarter choice. Investments require patience, the ability to ride out ups and downs, and a plan that aligns with your goals. The best approach is usually a combination of both. Start by setting aside an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Once that safety net is in place, begin investing extra money in assets that fit your risk tolerance. This strategy protects you while also giving your money the opportunity to grow faster than it would just sitting idle. The bottom line, $1,000 that sits still is safe, but it won't create wealth. $1,000 invested wisely can grow significantly over time, giving you options and opportunities you wouldn't have otherwise. Understanding your goals, your timeline, and your comfort with risk is key. Don't let fear or short-term thinking hold you back. Take action now, even if it's small, and make your money work for you. The choice between saving and investing isn't just about numbers, it's about your future. Start smart, protect yourself, and give yourself the chance to grow. That $1,000 could be the first step toward financial freedom, but only if you use it wisely.